I'm Deb and this is my channel, Sew Yourself a Capsule Wardrobe. In this episode, I'm looking at the items I've so far made for my autumn and fall 2022 capsule wardrobe. So if that interests you, stay watching. First of all, a bit of an apology. I do apologise that I haven't been able to publish any YouTube videos in the last couple of months. I've been working really hard on my business. It's been really busy. And I've had a few personal things I've had to take care of. So here I am back again, showing you what I've made. So let's just crack on. As you may know, in the summer I ordered my first ever capsule wardrobe guide from Everyday Style with Jen. I found it really useful, and it gave me an idea of what my capsule wardrobe should consist of. So when it was time for autumn clothes, I ordered the autumn guide, and I've been basing my makes around the things that I need to fill in the gaps in my autumn wardrobe. And there have been lots, I can tell you. When I did a run through of what I had in my wardrobe itself, my current wardrobe, I didn't have very much. I had a couple of pairs of jeans, a couple of long sleeve tops. So jeans, bottoms and long sleeve tops are the things that I really have needed in my wardrobe. That being said, let's have a look at what I've made. Okay, so I made this first item before the autumn and fall guide came out, and I just couldn't resist making it. I made myself another Sinclair Patterns Jolie top, tank top there. It's in black and white spotty. I made some culottes to wear on my holiday in May, and they were really comfortable, and I had just enough left to make this sleeveless tank. It's made in double brush poly, I believe. It's really soft, and it's buttery soft. I've worn it once or twice. I made it before the guide came out, like I say, so it doesn't really fit in to the guide, and it's cooler weather now, so I've worn it once or twice, but it's really lovely to wear. So that's that. One of the second items I made was a cardigan. It's in grey cotton lycra fabric. I had it in my stash. It's grey with little white and black raindrops on it. It's got functional shell buttons as well. I had great fun doing the buttonholes in that. I didn't, it was horrible on the cotton lycra, but it's worked out really well. It fits absolutely beautifully. This is the Rebecca Page Keeley cardigan, and I did a short length. There's also a dust length as well, but I shortened it for my height, and it comes just about to my mid hip. I'm really pleased with it. It's an absolutely beautiful fit, and it fits in really well with my capsule wardrobe garments. I did mention that I needed bottoms and long sleeve tops to wear over the autumn and winter months, and this skirt I made to wear during the day. Like I said, I have my own business, so, and I have a workroom. In fact, this is my workroom that I'm recording in. It's got, as you can see, it's got brick walls, and it's got 3 big windows, and it gets really cold in the winter and really hot in the summer. So what I tend to do is wear a skirt with leggings underneath it. So this is a skirt that I made to wear in my workroom during the day when I'm working. It's made in, well, I don't know what the fabric is. I got it as a freebie when I ordered some fabric once, and it's jersey, it's stretch, and it's like a polyester suiting, if I'm honest. It's tartan. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see the tartan? If I do that, another skirt, excuse me. And the pattern is a Rebecca Page high-waisted pencil skirt with the deep waistband. This is one of my favourite patterns actually. It fits really well, and I think once you've got a pattern that fits you really nicely, you tend to stick to it, don't you? As with, I made this yesterday afternoon. I'm having a bit of a knitting and stitching summit for one while my husband's away in Benidorm at the moment for his birthday. I didn't go with him, he went with some of his friends. So I've taken full advantage and I'm doing some sewing this weekend. And I made this black and white stripy top. It's great. This is viscose, cotton viscose fabric. This is from Tianite Fabrics. I had it a couple of years ago. It's black and white stripe, as you can see. Yeah, it's really soft, really drapey, really nice. The top pattern is, it's the Rebecca Page t-shirt, dress and top, and obviously this is the top version, if you can see that. It's not got a, it comes down to my hip, I think, roughly. I cut the neck going the opposite way, so I could have to the body and sleeves, so I could have the stripes going up and down rather than round the neck, because I like that idea. I did have a bit of a problem with that actually. When I cut it out yesterday afternoon, I cut the back and the front on the fold, but I couldn't get the stripes to sit one on top of the other when I got it folded, the fabric folded. So what I did was cut one piece and then flip the pattern piece while the fold, well, it should lie on the fold, and then cut it again, so I can actually get it completely lined up on the stripes. And as you can see, I think I made a fairly good job of that. This is a side seam. There you go. I think I got that pretty bang on. And the sleeves, I also did in the same way. If I just put my hand down the wrong way of the sleeve, you can see that, again, my stripes do match up. So that's a really good tip if your stripy fabric doesn't match up absolutely perfectly when you're cutting on the fold. So that's my tip for that. And finally, I have this is completely out of my comfort zone. It's a black skirt. I usually wear short skirts, but this is a midi. I'm going to stand up and show you. I can't really, you can't see, but it's a midi skirt. It's the Northcut skirt from Style Arc Fabrics, Style Arc Patterns, sorry. Yeah, it's my first time using Style Arc Patterns. And I have to say, I am really pleased with the way the skirt came out. This is Black Ponte, and again, this is from Tianite Fabrics. Yeah, the fabric's gorgeous. The pattern, have to say that Style Arc are renowned for not giving a vast amount of instructions. They are very sparse. But the skirt was really, really easy to sew up. I probably wouldn't recommend it if you're an absolute beginner, but hopefully I'll be doing a sew along to show you exactly how I made the skirt, which should make it easier for you, and that should be coming along hopefully in the next couple of weeks. So you can see I haven't made a huge amount of garments over the past couple of months, but I've filled in a few gaps in my wardrobe. A few weeks ago I placed an order with Tianite Fabrics and ordered fabrics that were in that colour range, my colour range for the autumn. So you'll see some garments popping up in the next couple of weeks, hopefully, if I have time to sew, that is. But when I was ordering, I decided I'd take a bit of a chance, a bit of potluck, and I sent off for one of their remnant packs. It was a cotton jersey remnant pack, and I want to show you what I got. Now bear in mind the colours that are in my capsule wardrobe for this season, and you'll find out what I received. Now the fabric quality is fantastic, but let's just show you what I got in the potluck parcel. It's one of the parcels that you can't ask for certain colours. They are all plain fabrics, but you can't ask for the colours that you want. So let's show you. Bear in mind that it's October, end of October, so Halloween season is upon us, and that may be the reason why I got the colours that I did. Okay, first off, this is cotton lycra. It's white. Can you see that? It's my colour exactly. Fantastic. There's another piece here. It's a dusky pink. Not really my colour at all. Oh, actually, that's not too bad. Not really my colour at all. It's brighter pink, suits me. But I can certainly put that together with white to create a colour block top. So I'm quite happy with that as well. A piece of black, and this is cotton interlock rather than cotton lycra. So I'm not really sure what that will be. I got teal, which is gorgeous. But it's not on my colour set at the moment. But it's gorgeous colour, absolutely beautiful. Can you see that? It's absolutely beautiful. And quite a lot of that as well, about a metre I think. I'm going to show you this one next. That's navy. So again, my navy. That will make a really nice basic vest top. And another navy, so I can make two vest tops. Or I could colour block with that lovely jade I've got there. So yeah, I like that a lot. There isn't enough on the jade, I don't think, to make anything on its own. And it's got, oops, can you see? It's about, well, maybe 30 centimetres there, and it has got I think it's got some stitching down it. Oh yeah, there we go. Bit of stitching on the side, on the top there, so I couldn't use that bit. But colour blocked, that would be great with the navy and probably the white as well, so all in one garment. Now, I'm happy with those. These are the colours that really aren't me. I got a piece, which is dark, it's like actually like Ribena. It's Ribena purple. There we go. It's got a big stitching line down it, or it's been stitched onto the roll, I expect. So yeah, not sure what I'm going to do with that, but possibly again colour blocking. I don't know. Now these colours really are not in my colour palette at all, unfortunately. I got a mossy green, khaki green, not really me at all, it really washes me out. Excuse me, really washes me out. This is, and again, this is cotton interlock, I think. That's kind of a dark green, not really my colour at all again. And again, this one is rust, pumpkin colour. Really, really not me. I don't know what I'm going to do with these three. I guess I could make little tops to go to, you know, for nightwear, or some underwear possibly. But they're really, I'm not going to wear them near to my face at all because they really are not my colours. And the last one, I got a really big piece of black. So I'm happy with that as well. So lots of colours that I am happy with. And probably could squeeze themselves into my colour palette, but some colours again that really I won't wear next to my face at all, and I probably won't wear during the day. It'll be nightwear if anything. And I think that's one thing that you do have to consider when you're ordering a potluck parcel, that you can't choose your colours with, because you might get any, you know, any colour. And if you're like me and you have specific colours for a specific season that you want to stick to, so that everything's cohesive in your wardrobe and coordinates, then, you know, you're not going to always like what you've been sent. Value-wise, The pack was £22 and I got 12 pieces. I think it's about, how much is it? 184 or something, 185 per piece. So if you think about it, the ones that I really do like, some nice good neutrals in there, you can get yourself a vest top for sort of 185, 190, and that's not bad at all. And maybe some colour blocked tops as well. Okay, so that's all from me for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of my garments, and tell me what you think about the value of the remnant pack that I had. And I'll see you all next time, hopefully with more garments that I've made. Until then, happy sewing. Bye bye.